This is Pranav Goa Thakurta from EduTV. Today, we are with Mr. Sharma, Mr. Anand Prakash Sharma, who is the principal of Birla Public School, Doha, Qatar. Sir, welcome.
Thank you.
Sir, as this is not a very normal year, the students who will be writing their examination in 2021 are very much confused. They're in a bit dilemma. The parents are also very much confused because middle class families, they look forward so that their kids are they get the jobs easily after their education and professional education. They don't have any idea, will they get admissions in some college, will the exams will be held or not. What should they do in this kind of a VUCA world, sir?
Yeah, actually, this year had been a very different year, extraordinary year. If you consider even in human civilization, never before such kind of thing has happened. And this pandemic has created a lot of uncertainty. But I'm quite sure that after 6, 7, 8 months now, the world is also changing accordingly. So maybe that for 2, 3 years there will be a problem that when will the session start, when will the exams will be held, and all these problems will remain. But I think now for this particular batch, examinations, CBSE will be and all other bodies will be making examination quite student friendly, and will try to know about their skills and considering that what kind of stress and pressure children have gone through. Similarly, universities have already, you know, in Delhi University, Mumbai University, all of them have uh, prepared their new schedule for this year's admission, and then everything will be like 2, 3 months delay. So same way, like 1 or 2 sessions will be like that, and I'm just worried that there should not be any 0 year. And for every university in the world is trying for that, because 0 year means we are taking away one precious year from a child, and particularly youth. That is very dramatic and very bad. So I'm quite sure that we will come out of this particular situation. And all kind of universities, and now so many online courses have come, so many people are getting different kind of skills through online classes, online courses and all. So one new thing has also come, one new dimension of personality making has come. So that is a one plus point. So parents anxiety is it's quite clear, and it's a viable also. It can be seen like in a school. So many career fair have now started from
Right.
October. It always starts. So career fair is started, and in a lot of discussions children have that anxiety, but they need not worry, because the world is also changing accordingly. They will not lose 1 year, maybe 3, 4 months, and within 2, 3 years the whole cycle will come in normal.
Correct, correct. I think you are quite right. I think 0 year can have some more repercussions, like next year the number of students will become double for any university or a
Yes, yes,
college. It will
yes.
have a big problem for higher education then. Thank you so much, sir, for a valuable time. I'm sure your thought, your speech will help many students, parents, and other stakeholders of education.